Let's start our project by opening a blank canvas for a YouTube thumbnail. We know that thumbnails need to catch the eye, so we're going to be doing a double exposure thumbnail. We are going to use Senzo Meyiwa's image that we found on Twitter as an example. So you could use any image that you would like to use for this double exposure. And you add the image on your canvas, you size it and you align it. I'm going to just add it in the middle, then select the image, click on edit photo and remove the background of the photo. So next you're going to go on your elements and you're going to search for gradient. And with your gradient, I'll give you the name of the gradient that we're going to be using. It is this gradient that's called white circle gradient shadow. You click on it once and you add it to the image. You can reduce it if you want and rotate it, and then start adding the gradient to make the picture kind of blurry, because I don't want the image to have like cuts. I'm going to jagged cuts, so I'm going to add the blur over there and just cover that a little bit. Then I'm going to duplicate the blur and start adding it to Senzo's image. I do want to have him showing that it is him. So we're just going to cover and blur him a little bit so that it still shows that it is him on our image like that. Then you're going to click on share and you're going to select download and you're going to download as a PNG. Once that's done, you're going to add it to our uploads so that the image is over there. Next, you're going to find a quote, gabble, or whatever you would like to create the double exposure for. So you could be doing something for real estate or whatever it is that you would like to have a double exposure. In my instance, I want to use a quote gabble like that one. So I'm just going to add it on the image and then align it and then reduce the extras that I don't want over there and just add it on the image of Senzo. So what we're looking for is the drama over there. Next, we're going to take off the rest of his image at the background. Go back to your elements. You can use the blue gradient background if you search for gradient. And you can rotate this so that it is straight on and we can start covering our image that we're using. Like that. Then we're going to change the color of this and make it white. So we're going to go to our effect. We're going to pick duotone and then we're going to change the color and make it completely white, which is that FFFFF, and then make it white for both of them. Then you're going to duplicate and start adding it on the image and you blur it like that. You're going to duplicate and you're going to rotate and you're going to continue blurring the image and rotating it. So that it looks nice and looking like that. Once we're happy, we're going to download this image as a PNG and then we add it again to our designs. Then we're going to add the second page and then we find Senzo's image. Then we set it as a background. Then we go find our gabble and we start aligning it on the image behind Senzo. Next, we're going to reduce the transparency of the second image. Great stuff. Once we've adjusted it and we are happy with the adjustments, we're going to click on share and we're going to download the second page as a PNG. Then we're going to add it to our downloads and add an extra page. And then we're going to adjust the image so that it has a beautiful color in it. Once you've adjusted your image, if you want it to pick the image itself, you're going to select the image, click on edit photo and take on the background remover. And it starts picking up the image like that. And it shows quite nicely. If you add a dark image or if you make the background dark, and then it shows those nice lines around the image. So we're going to add a quote and we're going to make the quote a bit dark so that it picks it up and it shows the image that we've created of the double exposure. I'm going to press T for text, and I'm going to choose Anton. You're going to select effects, and you're going to click on outline. Then you're going to adjust your text, use your outline and the colors the way that you like, and then make it a little bit thicker, adjust the line, and then add extras so that your thumbnail pops. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I truly appreciate it. We do have a Canva course that can teach you much more. I appreciate that you go to Udemy in the link below. I will see you on our next video.